First, grab 2 empty plastic bottles and clean them properly. Remove any labels so the surface is smooth and easy to work with. Using a cutter or scissors, carefully cut off the top part of each bottle. Try to keep the cut straight because these bottles will act as molds, and the final look depends on how neat this step is. Next, we need to make a hole at the bottom of each bottle. Heat a metal rod or iron tool and slowly melt a hole in the center of the base. Make the hole large enough for a wire to pass through easily. Take your time here and be careful because the plastic will be hot. Now, take a wire with a small bulb holder attached to it. Pass the wire through the hole from the bottom of the bottle and pull it gently until the holder sits inside. Adjust it so the holder stays roughly in the center. Leave enough wire hanging out from the bottom so you can connect it later. Once that's done, it's time to prepare the mixture. Take some sand, cement, and water and mix everything together in a container. You're looking for a thick, smooth consistency, not too runny and not too dry. This mixture will give strength and weight to the final piece. Start pouring the mixture into the bottle slowly. Add a little at a time and tap the sides of the bottle gently to release any trapped air bubbles. As you pour, keep checking the position of the bulb holder and adjust it so it stays centered. Fill the bottle almost to the top, leaving just enough space so the holder sits nicely in place. After filling, place the bottle on a flat surface and leave it alone for about 24 hours. This part is important. Don't move it or touch it while the cement sets, otherwise it can weaken the structure or shift the holder. Once the cement is fully dry, carefully cut and peel away the plastic bottle. Take your time so you don't damage the surface. As the bottle comes off, you'll see the solid shape underneath, and this is where it really starts to look good. The finish is clean, minimal, and has a nice handmade feel. Now screw a bulb into the holder. Connect the wire to a power source and switch it on. The light brings out the texture of the cement and shows just how good this simple project can look. Using basic materials and a bit of patience, you end up with something practical and surprisingly stylish.